Okay, everyone, I've got your lower body workout today. This is out of truck, and everything we're doing is going to be up by the deer guard. So let's head on up there. So everything's going to be timed. We're going to do a minute each of everything. I'm going to start that on my phone. Okay, so let's start with a minute of assisted squats, or you can just do air squats. So I'm going to start a timer here, and we're going to be right here. If you need that assistance, you can hold on with one or two hands, I guess, on the deer guard. Or if it feels fine without having that assistance, you can just do air squats. We really, really, really don't want to let your knees cave in. If your knees are kind of caving in at any point like that, then it would probably be better if you didn't even do the movement, because you're going to have really bad knee pain down the road. So push those knees out the whole time. And again, if you need that assistance, just hold on to that. 10 more seconds left. And for this next one, we're getting some lateral movement in. So if you need this, you can just hold on right here. Start out with kind of like a wide stance, and then we're coming down and pushing up. Alternate. So if you can't go all the way down, that's totally fine. We can just kind of go right here, here, and here. That works. Okay, halfway done with those. And we're moving on to a minute of wall sits on the deer guard. Okay. One last one, and I think I'm gonna do them right here. That seems like the best spot. Hopefully your deer guard doesn't have a bunch of bugs on it, because you're gonna have bugs all over your back. We're just coming down here in like a chair position, and you're just pushing against with your back. Same thing with your knees again. Don't let them cave in. And we're doing a minute. We're already halfway through. Okay, 15 more seconds. Good job. Five seconds. Awesome. Okay. And the last thing in this little round here is single leg squats. So we're kind of starting out in like a pyramid stance, and then you're on the ball of your back foot, and then your weight should be on this front leg here, kind of all through it, but also should feel it in your glute too. And I think we're doing about 30 seconds each side. Let's switch to the other side. And after this, we've got a minute rest, and then we're doing the round all over again. And that back foot, you want to keep it in line with the rest of your body. So don't want to turn it out or anything. Got about 3 more here. 3, awesome. And I'm gonna do, let's do a quad stretch, because we're kind of working our quads a lot on this one. So just grabbing your foot, pulling it back, and feeling that in the front of your leg. Okay, let's switch to the other side. We've got about 20 seconds left of this rest, and then we're back to air squats. Okay, so assisted or just air squats if you need to, whichever one feels better. This is kind of nice if you are only able to come like down to here and you're not able to go all the way down. If you hold on to this, you can kind of bring yourself up and get a little bit more range of motion. Okay, I think we're halfway through here. Got about 15 more seconds. And then we're doing those side squats. 5 seconds. Okay, so holding on here, starting out, whichever leg. So you're pushing off just on that. Like right now, I'm just pushing off my right leg. So more of a single leg movement. Okay, halfway through. If you want, you can just stay on one side for 30 seconds and switch. I'm just alternating. Sometimes I do a bad job of taking too long on one side. So I'm gonna alternate. We got about 10 more seconds. And going over to wall sits. So back over here, get in that chair position. Okay, we're halfway through, 30 more seconds. Ten seconds, keep it up. Whew, okay. And last one, we're going back to our single leg squats. So I'm starting out with my right leg on the ball of your foot and come down. So just check to make sure that back leg is in line with your shoulders, not twisted either way. Okay, we got about 30 seconds on that side, so let's do the other one. Almost done. We got about 10 seconds left, and then we're resting for another minute. Ooh, it's busy out here. Okay. Awesome. I'm gonna do a hamstring stretch here. So just coming down with a flat back, and you should feel that in the back of your legs. If you need to get a drink, definitely do that now. 30 seconds of rest left. Do a quad stretch. About 10 seconds. Okay. And we're on the last round. Okay, so we're going with squats again. So assisted or just in the air, whatever feels good. Halfway through, keep it up. Okay, then we're back to those Cossack squats. So, starting out in that wide stance and then coming down on one leg. I don't think I said it before, but you want to try to keep your knee in line with your toes too. Kind of same thing we talked about with the squats. Losing my timer. Okay, we got 15 seconds left. Which is about 10. Okay, and we're on to wall sits. So last round of these. Let me get, okay, so 90 degrees everywhere. So your feet, ankles should be under your knees. Thighs parallel to, or quads parallel to the ground. Ten seconds. Whoo, that was burning. Okay, and that was our, oh no, we have single leg squats. So this is our last one. So get that opposite leg out, get your ball of your foot in line with your shoulders, and we're coming down and we're mainly feeling it on that leg that's out in front of you. That's doing most of the work. Okay, let's switch to the other leg. And this is our last exercise, sorry. And then we've got another stretch we can do. Okay, 2 more. And we're done. Okay, so quad stretch sounds good to me. Those wall sits definitely burn your quads, so probably be happy if you stretched them out. Let's do about 10 or so more seconds on this side. Then we can switch over to the other leg. And we're done. Okay. Grabbing that other foot. Okay, good job guys, awesome workout.